Okay, normal muna.
Normal muna. Tumatawa na kagad.
Tsaka ba't ganun yung tawa niya? Parang ano.
Eto.
Letter K.
Pinaka-normal na to ha.
Patingin.
Okay, go.
Sino yan?
Hindi nyo kilala?
Logo ng Alaska.
Lucky Blue.
Lucky Blue. It's RL.
Okay, we hear you.
We hear you.
Okay, that's very conventional, Pogi.
Yeah, he's so pogi. And
Timeless,
parang alam mo yung mysterious na parang sobrang chill niya lang. Na parang, ganon. Parang, oo. Like, whenever I see him and Nara together, like, parang, shit, alam ko na kung ano nangyayari.
Wow, naglalaro yung imagination mo.
Okay.
Yes.
I get it.
I hear you.
Guys!
Sino yan?
Pakita mo muna
I
sa
hope you
amin.
know.
Patrick Mahomes. Who's that? Sino yan, man?
You don't know? He's a
Familiar,
Kokoy.
but I don't know.
Kokoy de Santos.
He's a... Sorry lang. Ayan. Eto.
Lonzo Ball.
It's Austin McBroom from the Ace family.
Di ko kilala, sorry.
He's a married man na, and sometimes na-attract ako sa mga ganon.
Sa mga married men.
Wait lang, hindi sa mga
Grabe.
Mali yun eh.
Grabe pa,
Na-attract
born
ako-
to be wild yan, ha?
Hindi na-attract ako sa mga ugali niya. Like, oh
Yung
my
pagiging
God, how can
family
I...
man. Yung
Yes!
Family-oriented.
Gusto mo ganun din yung kind mo.
Oo. And very, siya, into content creation na talagang he's getting something out of it. Like, financially. Tapos,
Parang may
Nakilala
kilala
ko
din
na.
tayo. Charis. Okay.
okay, this one,
Dagi.
Dagi, ha.
dahil kay Selena.
Benny Blanco.
Benny
si
Blanco.
Rambo.
Benny
Ay,
Blanco.
Benny Blanco.
Okay.
No,
Siligo
because
Blanco.
because I've seen how much she takes care of like Selena. Hindi siya like OA, ganyan na type of guy. But surely na bibigay niya yung love na kailangan ni Selena. And very smart siya as a guy. As in super. And he's big in the industry.
Mabait.
And mabait
Yeah.
siya and all that. So, yeah, Benny Blanco, he might not be super
Big on the
duper...
mabait.
Yeah, he might not be super duper attractive talaga, but his personality is like a lot talaga. Like he's also weird.
Talaga.
Shrek core.
Talaga.
So yan. Benny Blanco.
Oh, ito.
Guys!
Oh, I know.
Ang cute,
Di ko lang pangalan niya, but I remember that
It's
guy.
Otis from Barnyard.
Funny
Okay.
siya.
Yeah, so he's really, and he's like a masculine type talaga. Lalaking lalaki talaga siya. But what really turned me on when I was young is that yung, ano yun? Hindi yung
Ano yung teats niya?
hindi madami kasi siyang
May suso?
milking stuff. Yeah, those. Ano ko yun eh? Isa yun sa
Gusto ni
mga...
Jess kasi lalaki, 4 yung teeth.
Pag nag-date kayo no? Apat pa yung nipple mo.
Harry Styles.
Normal dyan na
Hear me out. When you're young kasi, you're curious, and then parang mapink-pink kasi siya.
Pink pototoy!
Shit!
So parang yun yung, ewan ko, imagination ko siya when
Ano ginagawa mo? Okay, I'll stop there.
But yun, guys, yun. Si
Okay,
Otis.
Sean,
No,
ikaw
it's
na.
okay. We hear you.
We hear you.
Yeah, okay.
The first time you said it, we get it.
Yeah.
Yes, we hear you.
Wait lang.
Joaquin Phoenix.
Joker.
Hindi, si ano yan?
No,
Leto,
that's
Jared Leto.
Jared Leto.
Suicide Squad?
Yes.
Suicide Squad.
Yes.
Mm.
Okay. Wala. Hot din minsan yung mga ganito eh. Feel ko,
Face
wala,
ng buhay
sexy
mo.
niya lang. Oo, yung parang,
For your toxic face.
yes. Oo, yung mga
The
ganon.
red flag enjoyer.
Yes, yung mga
Yes.
ganon.
Gusto ko sirain mo yung buhay ko.
Yes,
Yes,
I want you
exactly.
to ruin my life to ruin my life.
Eto.
Yes.